So I'm so excited, guys, because I got the Witch's Moon box, and oh my god, I just look forward to this every month. I'm always looking forward to seeing some magic in this mundane world. So let's see what is in this baby. What is the theme? So if you guys haven't already known about them, go ahead and check them out in the comment section down below or the description box so you guys can get yourself your own Witch's Moon box too. Ooh, this looks very beautiful. So it looks like we got a tarot card of the month. We got some beautiful artwork. Oh my gosh. Let's see all these Book of Shadows artwork, guys. We got some cool stuff. So Quest on the Sunless Sea. This looks very beautiful and House of Nightish. Oh my god, are you kidding me? This says Moldavite on here for this Book of Shadows artwork, guys. So there's gonna be something pretty interesting with Moldavite, I'm assuming. Ooh, this looks very magical. I love the beautiful artwork, guys. And we got another Book of Shadows artwork, and it's the Shamanic Roots of Witchcraft. I really love this too because I do have a couple Native American past lives that really do come in when I did have magic too. So it was a very magical lifetime. Oh, this is so neat. I can't wait to learn more about this stuff. I'm just so excited with the artwork, guys. Such beautiful Book of Shadows artwork. Let's open this up, see my tarot card, and what is the theme of this month. So this box is about a witch's journey, guys. The truest pursuit of our craft is connected to and retrieving knowledge from higher realms while maintaining the roots that feed into the great soil of the earth. You are continually connecting with the sight of the unseen and obscure. As we work to follow the path of the wise, we journey into realms that are filled with visions, emotions, and overwhelming healing power. As we spend time working through different states of being, we truly become intimate with the divine energy that swirls through our very existence. The items within this collection have been created and sourced over multiple calendars. We have been eagerly waiting to share these tools with you for this very time of year. It is so beautiful, and there's a little disclaimer message that's in smaller print, guys. Basically, each person's path is different, so use your intuition, guide yourself, and you can create magic with these beautiful tools. So I got the polar bear, guys. Solitude, friendship, strength, and resilience with the number 3, one of my beautiful numbers. I love that so much. So that's kind of neat. So solitude, friendship, strength, resilience. This sounds pretty accurate to what I do on a daily, so that's really cool. Like that little message, and I'll meditate on the meaning later. But let's see what else is in this baby. What is in here? Oh my gosh. What is this? It's so huge. We got the Heart of the Forest Sacred Salt Kit. Ooh, this is a big thing of salt, guys. The salt in magic and witchcraft is very strong and powerful because it helps you cleanse and transmute negative energies. This thing is so huge and beautiful, guys. I love it so much. This has beautiful magic in it, guys. All the herbs, all the cleansing vibes, and this beautiful bath salt, and you can use it to cleanse your jewelry. I'm just in love with that. Such a huge bag of that. And what else is in here? We got, looks like our different herbs for the month and a tea. This is the Herbs of 8, so very auspicious number. Guess I gotta read more about what each of these little things is, huh? We got some passion flower. I like how they updated the top so you guys can read it. It's got their magical writing with the herb on top. So passion flower. We got wild endive root. I got some lobella. So these are some pretty neat herbs, guys. Gotta research them, create some magic with them. And looks like I got another little muslin bag because I think one of them is definitely something that I can use to make like a tea. And there's this big box, guys. I want to open this box and read what more things mean. Look how beautiful this is. It's a huge rune. So there's a big rune on here. What is in this box? What? Is this a like shaman wand? Ooh, my Cherokee Indian roots are loving this. It's the perfect balance of like magic meets the shaman vibe, like the Native American people. This is so beautiful. I love this, guys. And I need to find out what rune this means, but there's amethyst on it. Can totally use this to do some magic. Ooh, I love this. I want to wear this right now. What is inside? Let's open this up. Oh, and then there's a piece of Moldavite. This is very awesome, guys. Look at this piece, and it comes in the beautiful case. This is awesome. This is very powerful. Big magic for such a good deal, guys. Moldavite alone is more than the price of this box. So that is so cool. Let's start reading what some of this stuff means, and then I'll get into more of the products. So, It's a naturally shed edged antler with amethyst pendant. Also, it's a naturally shed antler, so it's real. So no hurting of animals were involved in this. Antler that has been used in this creation has naturally been shed from a stag and respectfully collected over the course of almost 2 years. The process by which these antlers are shed happens seasonally. Related to other magical uses of natural tools, the antler holds within it the spirit of nature as well as the gentle yet primitive spirit of the animal it once came from. Incorporated into the many magical rituals and ceremonies, the antler holds onto a very long tradition of respect and perseverance for the animals and spirits that walk among us in the wonderful world. This very powerful device holds the ability to bring energy to a more natural state of being, grounded and authentic. In return, this state allows us to connect into effortless intuition that is held within all things. Before wearing or using the sacred item, please take the time to thank its energy for the gifts that it shall bring to you on your path. This is a very important practice with all magical things, as it allows us to set your intentions and open new pathways during ritual meditation. An amethyst stone has been capped onto this antler pendant to bring spiritual power and conviction into your workings, as well as adding strength to your rituals. The amethyst allows you to communicate clearly with guides and spirits. These attributes catapult our minds in higher realms of existence and understanding. Etched into the side of the antler, we have placed the 22nd letter of the Fuic Igwats, representing the god Ing. Ingwats represents creative power and shines as a beacon of light during dark hours. A very concentrated protective energy, this rune brings safety while working to dive into the states of consciousness and perception. Our intentions in bringing this piece together for you are of pure heart and mind. We urge you to spend time working with the energy that is held within this pendant so that you may travel to distances unknown, retrieving intimate knowledge that will continue to assist you on your sacred and valuable path. I love this so much, guys. Oh my god, like, this is so beautiful. Like, thank you once again, Witch's Moon, for all these goodies. This is strong spiritual magic, guys, and I love this. I can't wait to dive in and to do some magic right away. This is very beautiful. Let's see what else is in the box. I'm gonna read to you guys what the correspondences and the use of the herb is. Ooh, so these are the herbs. It looks like I just have a big candle and something else in here. So we got the oil and the candle. Ooh, and something else is hiding in here. Ooh. This is beautiful, guys. This is Vision Quest. Very magical and spiritual. What does this smell like? I want to see. So we got some Vision Quest incense. This is so cool. This is like definitely going with those Native American past life roots. And I just finished reading a book, and this totally resonates with it. Oh my god, this smells so good. I love this, guys. This is like the scent, the vibe with this smells fitting for the shaman kind of stuff. I really vibe with that. Let's see what this oil is, guys. Let's open this baby up. I love how they put this thick bubble wrap on it so it like doesn't break while I drop it. So this is the highest realm magical anointing oil. We have created this magical anointing oil with the intention of pushing you into higher realms of thought while working through ritual, astral travel, meditation, or dream work. The energy of this oil reminds us that we are on a constant path of learning, developing, and discovering. The ingredients that were used in the making of this powerful blend are combined so that we may step out of our own way when we're working in higher realms. So we have enhanced this magical oil with pine, cedar, fir, needle, and rosemary oils. We have included juniper berry and motherwort as well inside your oil. You will find a Lemurian cord set to personify oneness within your aura. We have also included a special mixture of our astral travel and meditation magical oils from our own cabinet of witchery into the mixture of this oil. I love how they mix their own sacred magic in this, guys, and create new magic for us too. Let's smell. Let's see, how does this smell? This smells very minty. I get like a mint vibe, very earth-like. I can't wait to work with these things, guys. How the scents smell and correlate with the items is so perfect. It feels very like down to earth, Gia vibes, Mother Earth, shaman, like Native American stuff. It feels so good. And let's see this beautiful big candle. It looks like a big brown candle, guys. Ooh, I just love their beeswax candles. They're so magical. Guys, it's so beautiful. It looks a little black on camera, but it's brown. It's huge. It's amazing. So it's a hand-rolled Quest on the Sunless Sea spell candle with spell incantation. We have hand-rolled and charged this candle with the purpose of guiding you into another state of being. The incantation that accompanies this spell candle has been created as a piece of artwork that can be placed within your book of shadows. Ooh, this is so beautiful, guys. I can't wait to just like work with all this beautiful magic. So this is the Herbs of 8 ritual tea, guys. It's to accompany you during pre-ritual practices. They have included this herbal tea with a special mixture of spearmint, rosemary, lemon balm, linden, eucalyptus, wood, botany, blackleaf, and ethereal root. As you drink this mild ritual tea, we recommend listening to music or sounds that place you in a calm and focused state. So very peaceful. That's cool. So this is the wild endive root or dandelion root. The dandelion root has been a wonderful psychic center herb in our rituals and meditations, known for its divinatory attributes. Dandelion root is commonly used to strengthen intuition and psychic abilities. Gal root or lobella, a strong attraction herb. Lobella has commonly been used to make salves and herbal ointments. Place lobella within herbal mojo bags to bring urgency to a specific matter in which you should like resolved. Gardenia or passion flower, a wonderful herb to become familiar with. The passion flower brings calm and relaxing energies into your aura environment, known for its ability to melt away incongruent negative energies and thoughts. Allow passion flower to accompany you on your journey into higher realms of consciousness and thought. I just love this box so much, guys. I'm so in love with everything, guys, and I really didn't talk about the moldavite too much because I'm accustomed to the energy of it. I'm wearing it and my bracelet. So moldavite is basically a tektite mineral, guys. It's a meteor that hit the earth and combined in the Czech Republic. It's super strong, high vibrational energy. It's rumored to be the Holy Grail stone that's on that artifact. So very strong divine energy. It basically amplifies all the energy of a single crystal. So whatever the crystal is, it amplifies the energy times a lot. Super awesome crystal, guys. It also has energy with aliens and the extraterrestrial above this world. So very strong divine energies. Work with this mineral when the time is right, guys. And I just love this energy so much. I can definitely put a piece of this in a little selenite. Like there's a selenite right here, guys. There's little selenite candle holders. You can pop them in there. Just enhance that energy of selenite times a lot. Have angelic energy all over your home. So this stuff is really cool, guys. I can't wait to work with these magical tools and create some beautiful magic. Definitely be sure to check out the Witch's Moon in the comment section and description box down below to get yourself some magical goodies. And like always, guys, where's my new wand at? I can use this new wand to do my little circle. By earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, I bless this wand in love and light. It is cleansed and transmuted of any energies less than love, so mote it be. So earth, air, fire, water, spirit, sacred elements of Nyx's creation burn bright. May all of those of you who watch be blessed and rejuvenated in her holy light with the energy of the full moon. So mote it be. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you guys can be notified for future videos. And of course, until next time, merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again. I forgot to mention before I started this video, guys, but I felt called to wear all green, like green bracelet, green this, my green necklace, my green jacket that I don't wear because I don't particularly like this jacket too much, and it's Mother Earth color, and the whole vibe with this is shaman stuff, like Native American and Mother Earth vibe. It's so funny how the universe works. They wanted me to represent the color.